fly fishing baits.
Have the Canadian soldiers been bothering you guys?
There's the team.
Your team.
When we're set up on auto level, I always retract the rear jacks. All right, camera's going off.
Just getting to our campground.
Yep.
And it's a rainy day on Lake Erie.
Yeah. Who'd have thought, right?
Yeah, we've had a whole summer of a drought. There's your spot.
What do you think, Grizzly?
He's like, hey, is there a dog park here?
111. That's us.
So we have a really nice site. It's pouring down rain, and there's these creepy little bugs hovering our camper as soon as we stop. Not sure what they are, but they're really gross. And you wouldn't think things like this could be out in the rain, but they are. Setting up in the rain's always fun. Whoops, wrong way. There you go. Done.
We're hunkered down in the Lake Erie storm. We've got gusty winds. It feels like it's going to lift the campground around. It's about 40 to 10 at night. I don't think it's going to die down until about 2 in the morning.
We're rocking and rolling.
Yeah, we're really rocking and rolling. It looks like the setting for an Alfred Hitchcock movie, doesn't it? There's my two favorites. Hear it howling.
I know. When's all night? Grizzly. You're not gonna like this. I'm gonna go try to see it.
Debbie's Copico.
Here's my phone.
There. I got the door.
Oh.
Go, Grizz. Not a bug on it this morning. The slide toppers are holding up in this wind. We've heard those racks open and close, those things up there. We've heard them rocking and rolling. Oh, there's some bugs. How do birds fly in this? I didn't know there was a big ditch right by that fence, and I stepped in and I went like right into the fence. It's like, whoa. Almost went for an early morning dip. No, he sees a dog.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Not that cold.
No, it's not.
Brr.
Wow, is the water rough?
Yep. Hey, maybe you could get a selfie of us on this tree.
Sitting on the fat end down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Right here?
Yeah. Don't you want the water in the background?
Well, I didn't know what you wanted. Here we go. Climb over that big stump.
Are you gonna sit and I'll come behind you?
That's fine. Hey, I'm over here. I guess you meant the selfie, just a me selfie.
Wow!
Grizzly the athlete. GoPro, take a picture.
How about this?
Come on up here. Good boy. Oh. Okay, let's walk down to that little inlet over there.
Okay.
Somewhere over there is Canada. My puffer coat's really puffy.
It's puffing.
It's puffing. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Did we dress for the weather? Let's see.
Yeah, pretty much.
Kind of, yeah.
I just didn't know it was going to be so windy.
You couldn't tell by the way the camper was shaking before we came out here?
Well, I figured it would stop once we came out.
It would stop by the time we got out, right?
Yep.
Yeah. I think Lake Erie is the shallowest of the Great Lakes. What do we say, 210 feet?
200, yeah. That's
And over by
super
the islands,
shallow.
I think, over by the Lake Erie Islands, I think it's, someone said there was like 25 to 50 feet deep over there. What are those islands?
Putin Bay,
Putin Bay and the other one?
Kelly's.
Kelly's Island and Putin Bay, yeah. Ah, swarms. Swarms of midges.
So disgusting.
Oh, I just ate one. You guys need to get out towards the water so the fish can eat you.
That is so gross.
I'll save you. For what? Oh, I didn't know what that was.
Geneva-on-the-Lake.
Got it. I saw the thing that said Godalum. That's just weird. I was afraid that Monday, being a Monday, that they might be closed. Yeah, there's an arcade for the kids. You drop them off there while you go to the winery, right?
Yeah.
It's like the Apple store at the mall for me to go to while you shop.
This isn't what I was thinking anyways. Like, I wasn't thinking wineries like these.
Yeah, I know.
These aren't wineries.
All right,
These are
let's cut
bars.
back and let's cut back to town the other way. Side trip. Major True Value Hardware and VS Variety Store. And then maybe 6 of these. I want to try 2 sizes to see, but I think the big ones are going to work. So Geneva-on-the-Lake, is that closed down? All the strip, everything looks closed there today. We were hoping to get some lunch and a glass of wine down there, but
Yeah, because it kind of it goes to like half power
yeah,
after the
Labor Day.
after Labor Day.
Yeah.
I think most of the stuff is open on the weekends.
So we just missed it by staying there Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Right.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
You too. This one? Okay. Oh, $20 is cheaper than a new tube. I got 2 sizes of cotter keys, so that should keep those caps on. People look at you so strange when they see you with the GoPro.
Yeah, that's weird.
Here's the winery sign. Oh.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. Have you been in before?
No.
we haven't. All right. Well, welcome in. We are a private estate. We make age our own wines. Sure. Matt and Tara Meineke are the founders here. They are first-generation winemaker and operators. Pursuing this legacy, they do specialize in a dry to off-dry style. Are you guys on the lake side of the campground?
Yes.
Or okay, off? Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the two of you, or do you guys travel with pets?
Well, we have a dog.
Okay.
He's a 100-pounder, so he's anchoring it down.
What kind of dog is he?
Great Pyrenees and
Oh,
Shepherd.
can you pull him up? Do you mind? Do you blog? Do you do some
Yeah, we
blogging and stuff?
have an RV travel blog.
Oh, that's awesome.
Rolling with the Curbs on YouTube.
I haven't kept up on it, but I did like a little Instagram for my dog. This is my Willow, and she's one-eyed. I rescued her when I was working in a vet clinic, and she is just like the best dog ever. So I'm like, she could go viral on TikTok, but that might be me just being a biased mom. So thank you.
He's in the bedroom.
Aw.
I can't flip around and see him in the bedroom now. We're hoping Waggle watches this and gives us another camera. Yeah.
Have the Canadian soldiers been bothering you guys? They're crazy right now. Yeah.
So we got leftover pizza, we got pancakes. We got a little bit of cleanup to do before we pull out today, huh?
Got wine.
And we got a bottle of wine from M Cellars. If you're up in Cleveland, M Cellars is awesome. So. Travel day. I don't think we're gonna take you through the details because it just started raining. It got gloomy again. We have a little pitter patter of rain on the roof.
You think they can see it because you put it up?
Yeah, yeah, So, yeah. Can you see the pitter patter up there?
You did.
It's visual.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we take some of the coffee and put it in a thermos so that we're not waiting on the coffee to be done?
We talked about that last night.
Well, the thermos goes home for the winter, so we could just bring the thermos in with us. Because we're going from here, we're going straight to our base camp, right? That's like my drone yesterday. I didn't know my drone had ground avoidance. It wasn't supposed to have all these features, but I tried to land it and catch it, and I would put my hand up to catch it, and every time I put my hand up, the drone would raise up a foot. So I'd lower it down a foot, and I'd go to get it, and it would jump up a foot. Do you see a potential friend out there?
He said, Mom wouldn't let me socialize with any of these dogs here.
Yeah, because he gets too friendly too fast, and he'll think that their camper is his camper, and that's why we kind of keep him away from people and other dogs, because he makes them his own. I don't know where he gets that from.
He's supposed to be a herding dog, but he makes them, you're my dog.
Remember when he was a puppy in puppy school? He used to think he was a little dog. There you go, take my spot. Where'd you go? I guess it's time to get up and get moving. Check out the hat. Pretty cool, huh?